Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Dogecoin video. Now, looking at Dogecoin's price right now, we can see the Dogecoin's price is slowly on the decline right now at the moment. If we look over at our moving averages and how things are currently performing on the daily, we're in the process of losing our 20-day moving average support that we had, and there could be a possibility that we can see this dip come down a little bit lower. I'd say we could be seeing it come down about right around to the price of 9 cents. So hopefully it doesn't go down much lower than that. Now, if we look at how things currently are performing within this, the price of Dogecoin taking this dip, you would have to expect that this would happen here, especially as we look at how quickly things did take place. If we look at the 52-week low that we had with Dogecoin, where its price was under the price of 5 cents, and how it went up here within this wave one and completed this wave one on a price that was around 16 cents. And this was all due to a recent rally that it had at the end of October that had taken place due to the fact that Elon Musk had purchased Twitter, and what the possibility that Dogecoin could have within more integration, more use cases with Twitter, and how that could all play out. So there was a significant price pump that had taken place with that. And then what we had seen was with extra volatility within the price of Dogecoin coming down due to not just pullback from the quick price bump, but also due to the fact that the whole FTX fallout had taken place. So we were expecting a dip within the price anyways, but we were hoping that the price of Dogecoin would pull back somewhere within the range of, say, like 10 cents. But instead, of course, the whole FTX fallout ended up taking the price of Dogecoin down much lower. We kind of had a double tap on the low point here within the wave 2 completion. So we had the wave 2 that had come down within 5 waves. And then now what I'm saying is everything that we have in the works here quite possibly is all part of a wave 3 that has a whole lot of potential. So we've been hitting these price targets. I had to make some adjustments on our next price target, and it's just due to the fact that we're seeing a little bit extra consolidation and, of course, a little bit more pullback within the price at this moment. So I'm still expecting that we're going to be seeing a retracement from this wave 2 to this wave 3, wave 2 to this wave 1. I mean, that is going to go somewhere within the 50% level here within the Fibonacci retracement. So if we look at how we're quite possibly within a subwave right now, we have the wave 1 subwave that has completed, and then we're coming down right now within the second subwave at the moment. And then we would just expect that as we go into this third subwave, that we would be seeing more of this retracement from where we're at within the wave 1, quite possibly see the full retracement within the wave 1 as we continue within the subwave. So as far as how things currently have corrected, though, if we look at the price that we're currently at from where we had completed this wave 2, we're still a decent amount that we've actually gone up. We've gone up about 34% from there. So that's a decent sized price movement. And there's a possibility here that this is just going to continue. If we were to look at from where we're at right now, and where I'm thinking that the next possible price pump is going to take us here within the next week or two, possibly, we could be seeing the price of Dogecoin taking another move that it could go up another 20 plus percent, I would say, that we could be seeing things go to complete. But this could be within the next week or the next 2 weeks or even the next 3 weeks. But this is where I'm expecting the price of Dogecoin to go within the next price movement. So somewhere within this, but obviously we could be coming down a little bit more. So do keep that in mind, that as we're working on still within this third wave, that this third wave, if it is in fact a third wave, we're going to have this subwave that could come down a little bit more. And it could even come down somewhere closer to, say, the price of 8 cents as it goes to bottom there and then work its way up to complete that wave 3. So if we look at our moving averages again here, if we were to come down to that 50-day moving average, that would take us right into this Fibonacci level, where I would expect there to be a little bit of a level of support that we would have right there. So that would make sense to come down just a tiny bit more to complete this second subwave part that's part of this wave 3. Now, as far as where could this wave 3 be going, I do have a pretty decent size price prediction here, and it could be a bit far-fetched, but I'm thinking that we're going to be seeing a lot of this retracement from where we were seeing Dogecoin as it was coming down through 2021 on into June of 2022, where it had hit that 52-week low. So as far as this wave 3, I'm thinking that we could be seeing it go somewhere up within the range of, say, 24 cents or even more, quite possibly even as high as possibly 35, 36 cents, as there is a lot to really retrace within Dogecoin. And I would expect this wave 3 to be the one that would have the most opportunity for growth to see. So that's where I'm currently at with it. So I'm hoping that by possibly the end of December, we're going to be able to get the price of Dogecoin right up within this box, say somewhere between a price range of 11.5 cents to possibly 12.5 cents as we start to retrace some of this FTX fallout that we had and start making these gains within this wave 3. Now, something worth mentioning real quick is that someone did recently comment that Dogecoin's price movements has no technicals to it. It is only based off of Elon Musk tweets. Some of that is truthful. There are a lot of price movements within Dogecoin that are related to Elon Musk, of course, but at the same time, these current price movements that we are seeing are actually not related to any tweet that Elon Musk has made related to Dogecoin. And also the start of this rally that we had at the end of October. This rally had started just due to the fact that Elon Musk had purchased Twitter and the possibility that there would be use cases with a Dogecoin for that reason. And also that Elon Musk is expecting to turn Twitter into a payment service as well. That's one of the things that he has filed for Twitter to have. And we would expect that Dogecoin would be one of the payment processes within that, since he is a big fan of Dogecoin and he sees that Dogecoin has a lot of opportunity there. So with that, I think that there could be a much more potential here for these rallies to continue with Dogecoin, not just due to Elon Musk tweets that would end up pumping the price of Dogecoin up. I think that the technicals are there, and the technicals do in some way follow along with what the crypto market is doing as well. And that is a lot with what we're seeing here within this price, as we did end up seeing it rebound from the wave 2 into this wave 3. This was all by itself. There was no tweet that did benefit that. So keep that in mind. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about Dogecoin. What do you guys think that we're going to be seeing the price of Dogecoin by the beginning of January? Or where do you think the price would be at in the beginning of January? I'd like to know. So that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and been talking about Dogecoin at least every other day, and many other altcoins as well. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.